Everything you see here is included with the Tree Nanny 2.0 Christmas tree watering system. You have the ornamental funnel, tube, strap, and most importantly, the sensor pack. This one here is a prototype. On the sensor pack, below the Tree Nanny logo to the left is an indicator light. This indicates a few different things. It will blink every few seconds to let you know the battery life is good and everything is working fine. When the batteries begin to go dead, it will blink rapidly and you will hear this sound. It also helps you when recording your custom message. To the right of that is the light sensor. And I'll go over everything more thoroughly in the rest of the video. Just want to get you familiar. To the right of that's your mode button. So that is what you choose if you wanted to play Jingle Bells or play your custom message. Below that is the mic, and below that is your record button. All right, let's get started. Running hot water through the tubing will make it more pliable. Attach the funnel to the end that is cut straight. The tapered end goes into your tree stand. Now, run the tubing down the trunk into the tree stand, placing the funnel at a convenient location. To demonstrate the installation of the sensor pack, this is a mock-up of a Christmas tree trunk in its stand. To begin, thread the straps through the loops, wrapping around the trunk and watering hose. Please make sure the sensor pack and hose are on the opposite sides of the trunk. When watering, this is to ensure the water does not interfere with the brass probes. This simple installation is now complete. Let's move on to how it works. Here's a quick rundown of the mode and record buttons. When you want to record, hold the record button down and wait for the red light. The Tree Nanny makes watering fun and easy. Now, the voice music mode button, when you hit that, whatever plays will also play every 10 minutes when your tree needs water. So, when you hear that, you know you need to water your tree. Or,
the Tree Nanny makes watering fun and easy.
This is a prototype, so some tweaking with the label and sound quality will improve. Let's get this on the tree so I can show you the big picture. Okay, now you've seen how to install it. Let me show you the day-to-day operations. But one real quick tip. Take a Christmas light and put it in front of the Tree Nanny sensor pack on the bottom. This is where the light sensor comes in. You really don't need to do this, but it's a good little precaution. And how the light sensor works is when you shut the tree light off, the device will shut off. So it won't wake you up at night. Okay, so say you're sitting around the living room, around your Christmas tree, and you hear a,
I know the water is low, 'cause I got a 2.0.
what do? You simply grab a pitcher of water, pour it down the ornamental funnel until you hear a chiming sound. Now it'll take more than that, but for time purposes, I cut it back. And that's all. And I can't stress how important it is to keep the trunk saturated. That's why when you go to buy a tree, they cut off an inch or so of the trunk and tell you to go home and put it in water quickly. Because when that's out of water, the sap's forming on the bottom. And if sap's starting to form on the bottom, the water can't go up. And during the Christmas season, you get busy and you don't remember. And you may forget for 2, 3, 4 days. And especially in the beginning, that tree's drinking a lot of water. So if it goes dry in there, that sap's starting to form. And even when you do water it, it's not going to take the water as if the tree trunk was saturated the whole time. So it really is the world's best Christmas tree watering system, and it will prevent the needle shedding. You don't have to crawl under the tree, and it can limit the chances of you having a house fire. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you pledge, and have a good one.